Got a change at the top in Washington. You might have heard about this. We've got an inauguration 24 hours away and a new president. Treasury Secretary nominee Janet Yellen testifying on the Hill and Senate and saying, quote, we need to act big with regards to the next COVID spending package. And by the way, Senator Ron Wyden, who is about to become chairman of the Senate Finance Committee, has just said that the panel hopes to get the Yellen nomination to the Senate floor for a vote by Thursday. Meantime, back on the Street of Dreams, you got earnings for the big banks rolling in, and the first of the FANGs is set to report tonight. That is Netflix. A lot to talk about. Let's welcome in Jeff Crumpleman, Chief Investment Strategist for Mariner Wealth Advisors, and Angela Mwanza, Private Wealth Advisor for UBS. Angela, what is top of mind on that list, or maybe something that we didn't talk about for you and your team?
Well, top of mind, I've got to say Janet Yellen, because I always say when I grow up, I want to be Janet Yellen. She is the first woman Fed chair, first woman Treasury, assuming she's confirmed. She's a known entity. She's a good bet. And I think she'll be very measured and she'll work well with the Fed. I think this is really important because what happens next with the fiscal stimulus is really our bridge to normalcy. If we get a decent package through, and yes, we do have a little bit of a majority in Congress, but I don't know if we'll get a $1.9 trillion package, maybe $500 billion to $1 trillion. But that should get us to that pathway, get us over that bridge until we see normal activity and a pickup in corporate earnings. So I've got to put my money on Janet Yellen. I'm very excited to see her hopefully confirmed soon. And I think markets are responding. I mean, dollar weakness, you saw 10-year Treasury yields up and stocks are up through the roof.
Is there, Angela, a number at which the market may respond negatively? I think the market has probably priced in 1.3 trillion as maybe a bottom level. 1.9 would be great in terms of, is there a number where the markets would be sizably disappointed?
I think if we see south of, say, 500 billion, all that we've heard from the Federal Reserve Chair last week and also from Janet Yellen today has been saying we have very low interest rates right now. It behooves us to overspend rather than underspend. And I think just depending what's in that package is going to determine whether it's going to get passed. If there's a lot around infrastructure, I think that's something that's very bipartisan, or around the vaccine and making sure we have equitable dissemination of the vaccine, and that we don't have vaccines going bad in the bottom of someone's basement.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.